guys, this is Mama K. Let's see about the see if the light makes it. Okay, you'll be able to see all the dust and everything up in my kitchen. Okay, so I started calling it a refrigerator door challenge. But I thought about it and I was like, well, it's not fair just because I'm on a diet not to do it. How could I do it? So I thought about it and I thought other people may also have a gluten, whatever, allergy. That could be what I have, or mine could just be IBS. I don't know, but either way, I got to thinking about it. Mine's because I'm on a diet. I'm not touching high calorie, high carb stuff. So I thought, well, I could still do some low calorie, ingredient stuff. So I just picked some random crap that I normally would never, ever even think about, not even two of these going together. Well, some people do like mustard. I do not. The only reason mustard is in this house is because for color for potato salad. And I know some people do that, but I hate mustard with a passion. So this is not a pair for me. I don't even eat honey mustard dressing or none of that stuff. The closest I'll come to it is if I make Chick-fil-A sauce, which has honey mustard in it. And then you put mayonnaise and then you put the barbecue. But anyway, and I said pick 7 ingredients at the minimum, 7 to 10. So I got one. Since mine's not going on bread, I can get a little crazier with drinks. But if you're using bread, you're not going to want to use an ingredient that's pretty much liquid, unless it's like the oil or vinegar. But since mine's going to be in a drink form, I'm choosing this. So 1, 2, 3. Then we got the hot sauce, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then this will make 8, actually, the mustard. So, yeah, excuse me for the, see if I can, there we go, back up a little bit. My kitchen's cluttered. I'm washing dishes. I don't have a drying rack, really, so I put them on a towel. So I've got everything over here where I normally have stuff behind it, but right now we just got my fishing magnet behind there, so. Anywho, so let's get to making it. I'm going to do the drink part last, the base of the drink, because I think it'll help mix it, although I could just use a spoon. And so let me mix it up, and let's get to it. Okay, let's do a little honey, a little bit of honey. I'm not big on sweets, so this may be bad. Honey may gag me. There's 30 calories in this B8. I drink these at lunch while I'm on a diet right now. But since it's not my base, I'm only doing it as an ingredient. Ugh, this is going to be nasty. Steak sauce. Come on. I did about a teaspoon. I want you to do a little bit if you're doing the drink, do about a teaspoon of each thing at least. Except for hot sauce. I have a delicate stomach, so oh my god, that's probably too much. Oh my god. Okay. So where are we at? Okay, let's do a dab of mustard. I'm going to be regretting this. And okay, I don't want to be messy. Where is my, do I have a measuring? I have a measuring cup somewhere. We'll do a spoon because I'm going to mix it anyway. Alright, so let's just do 1, 2 of those, and then last before the drink base. This is definitely something you would only mix normally if you're making like White Russians. normally you do vodka and White Russian, but this was espresso flavored White Russian, espresso flavored vodka, so it made my White Russian more coffee versus just chocolatey. Um, and it was really delicious too. However, don't think coffee goes with mustard and pickles, but, or any of these things, but we're just gonna add it. All these colors just look, let me tell you. Can't wait. Oh my god. Okay, last but not least, Rita's Rosé. If I had had Sprite in this house, I would have done the Sprite. So we're going to do, if you're not doing the sandwich challenge, let's do 4-ounce drink. Oh my god. This is just nasty. Look at all those chunks. This is disgusting. So, drink here. I don't know where to look because I want to see me, make sure I'm in the frame. Oh, my dishes. I'm washing dishes. Let's turn the light on. Oh, my greasy face. Anyway, so if I can get this down, then I win. Yay, me. I get to challenge someone, so this is just a video of me following through myself since I'm not the bread. This challenge, if you didn't watch the other video, it's kind of like the ALS challenge. I wanted to do something simple that everyone can just, it's something that's at your house. You don't have to give an insane amount of money if you don't want to do it. If you can't follow through, just give $1. And it doesn't even have to be to a certain charity. Just your nearest pet store. They're always asking for, donations for pets. Go in and just drop a donations, or McDonald's, they always ask for donations. Just show yourself, donating to someone, or a random stranger like a beggar. Just give them $1. It's nothing big. But if you do it, record yourself. I said do. If you do it, record yourself doing it and show us the ingredients that you did, and just film yourself eating it and have fun with it. I was going to call it the refrigerator door sandwich because it's mostly ingredients that you would find in your refrigerator, not necessarily on your door. It doesn't have to be exactly on your door. That's just what I was calling it. But it's not limited to just the refrigerator. You can use, some condiments aren't kept in the fridge, or you could use a side item and put it on your bread. If you want to throw some pinto beans with hot sauce and jelly and butter and, at least just get 7 ingredients, 7 things, not big things like pizza and all that, but, things that you could use on the side as an ingredient. Just throw 7 to 10 things on your sandwich or in your drink and get to it. Well, let's see if I can finish this. So here we go. Amen. I'm confused. It tastes like a rotten tomato. And then the aftertaste says pickles with strawberry or something. And like someone left out a steak and it went bad. Oh God, just let me finish. Ooh. Ooh. I got on a dirty shirt. Ew. Excuse me while I fight it. I'll be needing Pepto in a minute. Hush. Anyway, so yeah, that's, do you a 4-ounce drink or do you a sandwich? Or if you want to get fun with it, throw your whole sandwich in that 4-ounce drink. Ugh. Well, that might have been more than 4 ounces, because the whole cup itself is like 8 ounces, so it might have been 5 or 6, but anyway. So yeah, y'all have fun. Mama K here, Copperstone, aka. Challenge all y'all. Go have fun with it, and let me see how nasty y'all get. Bye.